Savali yambee ya muwandu Charity Ngilu myakoni ya Senate kuma eevetanga utongoini ngavana wa kaunti ya Kitui yesa kuthela na methoi kini itina nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya mitumiile ilovia inanduni si mwanya cia kaunti CPIC kutwa sila uvisi wa mbunge wa kuthuima mitumiile ya budget vamwe na mweki munene wa masavu Auditor General weka lendhe na kweka ukunikili receipt vamwe na mathangu onthe ma undu silikali ya kaunti ya Kitui ungua ngavana Ngilu yatumie silingi milioni ya 968 kwambĩcia na kuthukumithia Kambuni wa Kicotec. Ngilu na ola mukunevaini wa ngili manatano kwa kuvuthesya cikalo cia nzama mavinda kauta ni wa mwane kuelesya yulu wa undu Kambuni ya akiwe na undu Kambuni wa mwene wa Kitui EPZ Limited wa akiwe vakuve na Kicotec. Maseneta ni maweta vena itumi mbingi cia kuona nyaulusa ni kilingisi niki vala yusilikali ya kaunti ya Kitui ungua ngavana Julius Makauma Lombe ikuweta ni kuvinga Kicotec ni kwithwa ndina vaita ona umwe kwa kaunti ya Kitui. Benjamin Mwaka ili vote mbeange.
CEC Finance.
Nzama ya CPIC ni ya mukwata ngavana Ngilu kataka ndu kuma kwa faino wa nusu milioni kwa kuvuthesya komiti cia mbunge ya Senate.
Did you pay the 500 or did not pay? Just that.
And again here, Honorable Senator,
Yes.
it is how these summons are brought. Sometimes, you invite the governor through an office. Please, there is also, I think, Honorable Chair, there is a way that we can also...
I'm just trying to understand the last time. Did you pay or did not pay? Just that.
You can just get to that answer.
Just, it's a yes or no?
Yes or no. What is the problem?
It will guide us in this decision that we are retreating.
I really want us to manage our time well.
That's okay, Chair. It's a yes or no answer. I mean, what is the problem?
Ni evinda ya vikaya kuthuima mitumiile ya silingi milioni ya 168 cia kuthukumithia Kambuni wa Kicotec evindani ya serikali mbitu ya ngavana Ngilu makulyo me maingi vatena usungio wina wikiku.
It was, Honorable Chair, in my manifesto when I was campaigning in 2016-2017, it was in CIDP, it was in ADP, and the money was given by the county assembly when we presented it.
If there's one person who is going to be very, very sober on this matter, it is the Senator of Kitui County. Because through this Kicotec, county money has been lost. And a lot of money. It is money that could have helped our people get better services.
Athukumi matetikile kimeao ni mamaze uvazia masavu ma mitumiile ya mbesa hii valakwena na Senator wa kaunti ya Kitui na ukiyoambua ni kana vaina olusani wa muthenakete me kung'ea mbesa cia Kicotec no kana kumandi ilovia Kambuni wa mwene wa Kitui County EPZ Limited.
Where did you get just the figures that you just put here? Just in summary, bila kwenda njia mengi.
The person who prepared those financial statements is Henry Kimanzi. Henry Kimanzi did not have the qualifications for him to enable him to sign the financial statement. So, Henry should clearly state how they had arrived on those financial figures.
So you signed something that you do not understand.
If there was money lost, Chair, order EACC to get in, do forensic audit, and those who stole the money will be taken to court.
Looking at the documents that have been submitted, we have inefficiencies. These monies cannot be justified because our work is to oversight, is to do audit. And we only do audit through the Office of the Auditor General, who confirmed before this committee that they are not able to complete these audits because of the lack of documentation.
Na yunzama ya mbunge ya Senate ni ya weta yithwa yitambuka Kicotec siongela kuthuima mulati ati ombe wa Savali no utio no wanenga no office wa budget mbungeni vamwe na Auditor General meka lilembi receipt na mathangu ma ilovia milioni 168 be wotio wa muthio nzama kunenganwa.
Even these figures you're giving us do not relate to expenditures from Kicotec. You're saying they relate to the Department of Trade, or I don't know which department. So there is a lot of mixed up here. So may I suggest, Mr. Chairman, that on these issues of figures, we do a forensic audit on it. That's number one.
the reports that you have given us, particularly on the bank statements, and the figures will now be submitted to our budget office for analysis, together with the auditors and the clerk, and then a report prepared for the committee. On that, there were matters to do with the cash withdrawals, the matters to do with the financial performance, and the matter of startup capital. All that will be reviewed by that team.
Gavana huyu Daktari Julius Makaumalombe weta yuno kutungia miomo ya Kicotec na kuvinga uthukumi. Aiweta vaiva ito anomwe yukuete kaunti ya Kitui atio wasio muthei. Gavana tene Muwandu Ngilu aiweta thini vango hoyesenesa ya kuma tene ya kuwa Kicotec vatena itumi mbianu.
Work which has been done on Kicotec's assessment has come to the conclusion that it's not viable, it's not sustainable. And this is based on the auditor's report, the last report which the auditor issued. We have come to the conclusion as a county executive committee that it's not viable, it's not sustainable, and we are not going to go ahead with it.
This is a way of trying not to appreciate this Kicotec. And it has been done very well over the years when I was the governor. To kill it.
That for me will be the question that I'll be asking myself. What is it? What contribution did I make to make sure that the young people of Kitui County on the matter of Kicotec found justice?
Should you need me again for clarification, I will be available.
We will not have any further meeting on this matter with the Kitui County government, but we will proceed with the information that we have.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumuvaa musieno ilovia nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.